Is your iPhone showing you weak security after the last update? If you have this weak security and want to know how to remove and solve this issue with your iPhone, follow these steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap the I icon. Scroll down, tap and hold Router IP. Please copy it. Now you need to open the browser, paste the IP address. Now tap Go. Now enter your username and password. By default, your password could admin. Once you come over here, now tap Wireless 5G. Tap Wireless Security. Tap WPA PSK. Select WPA2 PSK. Now save the network. After choosing this option from here, now you need to restart your iPhone. Quickly after that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.